Hey there, health enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered why cucumbers are suddenly everywhere? From TikTok recipes by cucumber guy Logan Moffat to Kendall Jenner's cucumber cutting video, cucumbers are having a major moment. But beyond the social media buzz, cucumbers are a nutritional powerhouse that you need to know about. First off, let's talk hydration. Did you know that cucumbers are composed of 95 to 96% water? That means they're not just refreshing, but they also contribute significantly to your daily fluid intake. For women, that's about 9 cups or 2.1 liters a day, and for men, it's around 13 cups or 3 liters. Adding cucumbers to your diet can help you stay hydrated effortlessly. Now, let's dive into their nutritional benefits. Cucumbers are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. In just 1/3 of a cucumber, you get 8 grams of vitamin C and 49 micrograms of vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health. They also contain vitamins B, potassium to help regulate blood pressure, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus. Not to mention they're a good source of fiber, aiding in digestion. And a pro tip, don't peel your cucumbers because their skin contains silica, which is great for collagen production and maintaining skin health. Speaking of skin health, cucumbers are fantastic for your complexion. Their hydrating properties and antioxidants can reduce puffiness and inflammation. And that silica we mentioned earlier, it also supports skin elasticity and collagen production. Cucumbers aren't just good for your skin, they also have impressive medicinal properties. They're rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which combat free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. High water content and soluble fiber like pectin help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Plus, fermented cucumbers are a great source of probiotics, boosting your gut health. When it comes to heart health, cucumbers have got you covered. Flavonoids in cucumbers prevent plaque buildup and blood clots, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. And if you're managing blood sugar levels, cucumbers possess anti-hyperglycemic properties, which might help in regulating glucose levels, beneficial for diabetics. Recent studies in the USA and around the world are exploring even more benefits. Researchers are looking into how cucumbers manage blood sugar levels, prevent insulin resistance, reduce oxidative stress, and support cardiovascular health. It's exciting to see how this humble vegetable can pack such a powerful punch. Here's a quick look at the key components in cucumbers. Component amount function. Water 95 to 96%. Hydration, detoxification, vitamin C 8 grams, 1/3 cucumber. Antioxidant vitamin K 49 micrograms, 1/3 cucumber. Bone health vitamin B present. Various metabolic functions, potassium present, blood pressure regulation. Heart health magnesium present. Various metabolic functions, copper present. Various metabolic functions, phosphorus present. Various metabolic functions, fiber 2 grams, 300 G. Digestive health, silica present in skin. Skin health, collagen flavonoids present. Antioxidants, tannins present. Antioxidants, beta-carotene present, antioxidant. So there you have it. Cucumbers are more than just a crunchy snack, they're your new health BFF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for more health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy and hydrated.